Most people use garlic only for cooking, but very few people know what happens when you eat garlic raw. Raw garlic has been used for centuries, not just as food, but as a natural remedy for the heart, the immune system, and overall health. And today, science is finally explaining why it works. The important thing most people don't realize is this: raw garlic works very differently from cooked garlic. When garlic is cooked, many of its strongest compounds are destroyed. But when it's eaten raw and prepared the right way, it releases powerful natural compounds that can support the body in multiple ways. In this video, I'm going to explain the real benefits of eating raw garlic, how it works inside the body, and how to eat it safely so you get the benefits without upsetting your stomach. If you've ever wondered whether eating raw garlic is actually worth it, stay with me, because one small clove a day can make a bigger difference than most people expect. Benefit number 1. Raw garlic strengthens the immune system. One of the main reasons people start eating raw garlic is for immune support. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases a compound called allicin. Allicin has natural antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which help your immune system respond more effectively when your body is exposed to germs. Raw garlic doesn't just help once you're already sick. It supports the immune system on a daily level, helping it stay alert and balanced. People who use raw garlic regularly often notice they get sick less often, colds don't last as long, and their body seems to recover faster when they do get sick. Another important benefit is that garlic helps fight harmful bacteria without damaging the good bacteria in your gut. That balance is important because a healthy gut plays a major role in immune health. Benefit 2. Supports heart health and improves circulation. Raw garlic is also well known for supporting heart health. It helps blood vessels relax and widen, which allows blood to flow more easily through the body. When circulation improves, the heart doesn't have to work as hard, and blood pressure can gradually come down. Garlic also helps keep the blood from becoming too thick or sluggish. This supports healthy circulation to important areas like the heart, brain, hands, and legs. People who eat raw garlic regularly often report warmer hands and feet, better endurance when walking or exercising, and an overall improvement in circulation. Over time, these effects help protect long-term cardiovascular health in a gentle, natural way. Benefit number 3, helps lower bad cholesterol and protects arteries. Raw garlic also plays a role in cholesterol balance. Cholesterol becomes dangerous when it starts to build up inside the arteries and harden. Raw garlic helps reduce this risk by lowering levels of LDL, often called bad cholesterol, and by preventing cholesterol from becoming oxidized. Oxidized cholesterol is what turns into plaque that narrows arteries and restricts blood flow. By slowing this process, garlic helps keep arteries more flexible and open. This supports better blood flow, not only to the heart, but also to the brain and legs, which depend heavily on healthy circulation. Benefit number 4, reduces inflammation and supports joint health. Another major benefit of raw garlic is its ability to help reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to joint pain, stiffness, muscle soreness, fatigue, and many long-term health problems. Raw garlic contains sulfur compounds that help calm inflammatory responses instead of overstimulating the immune system. People who use raw garlic consistently often notice less joint stiffness, reduced swelling, and better comfort when moving. Garlic doesn't work like a pain reliever that just masks symptoms. Instead, It supports the body's natural ability to manage inflammation over time, which is why its benefits tend to build gradually. Benefit number 5, natural antibiotic and gut support. One of the most impressive benefits of raw garlic is how it protects the body from harmful bacteria without harming the gut. Raw garlic can help slow the growth of harmful microbes, including certain bacteria and yeast. At the same time, it protects beneficial gut bacteria, which are essential for digestion, immunity, and overall health. Unlike antibiotics, raw garlic does not cause resistance and does not disrupt the balance of the gut microbiome. This makes it a valuable natural option for supporting digestive and immune health. Many people who eat raw garlic regularly notice better digestion, less bloating, and fewer recurring infections. How to eat raw garlic safely. Raw garlic is powerful, so it's important to use it correctly. Start by crushing or finely chopping one garlic clove. Crushing activates allicin, which is responsible for most of garlic's health benefits. After chopping, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows allicin to fully form. You can then swallow it with water. Mix it with honey. Add it to yogurt or avocado. Mix it into a small amount of food. You're new to raw garlic. Start with half a clove and see how your body responds. The best times to take raw garlic are in the morning on an empty stomach or before bed if your stomach tolerates it. Avoid chewing large amounts at once and stop if it causes irritation. Be cautious if you take blood thinners, you have stomach ulcers, or severe acid reflux. You're preparing for surgery. In those cases, talk to your doctor before using raw garlic regularly. So, when you look at raw garlic, it's more than just a cooking ingredient. It supports your immune system, helps protect your heart, reduces inflammation, and supports gut health, all in a simple, natural way. You don't need supplements or complicated routines. Just one small clove a day, used correctly, can quietly support your health over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps the channel. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried eating raw garlic before? Subscribe for more simple, natural health tips like this. And I'll see you in the next video.